Okay, you guys, welcome to this edition of Mike Reed Outdoors. God bless you all, and thanks for watching. It's a rainy Monday. Christmas time is coming very closely, so I hope you've got your shopping done if that's what you need to do. In this video, you're going to see me take a piece of mullein and a piece of basswood and make a hand drill coal with it, you guys. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. My mullein stick, guys, is 3/8 of an inch at the bottom. This plate is 3/8 of an inch. This your fireboard is 3/8 of an inch thick. That lets your coal get hot, or that lets your sawdust drop down very quickly and start to stack up to where you can catch a coal with it. It's thin at the top. I like it that way because you can get more revolutions out of it, you guys, the thinner it is at the top. But that's what this is. This is a piece of mullein. And this is a piece of basswood. Now I have used basswood on basswood and whittled that stuff down, and I've also used multiflora. Dried multiflora rose works just as good as well, but mullein seems to work really, really good. Oh boy, you guys, I'm telling you, I'm practicing my hand drill skills here this morning since it's pouring the rain outside. What I'm using, guys, is basswood and a piece of mullein. This is dried mullein that I got there at the beginning of the season there when they started blooming. I took it green, trimmed it up, and just let it dry. And you can see from that video right there, guys, I don't have a cutaway in that at all. Got a really nice coal going there. I'm going to show you something that you can do. You can actually, guys, take little pieces of just plain old cut pieces off of your basswood. And you can get that stuff going. Oh, it burned all the way through. Look at that. It's still going though, you guys. I could build a fire with that if I wanted to. So, you just saw me do that in one take. But I've practiced for years, guys, on how to start. Put that in the stove. That's smoking me to death right there. Anyway, you guys, like I say, I've practiced for years on how to take different types of wood here on the East Coast and make a hand drill fire. And it's not that hard to learn how to do once you get the right types of materials and you get your technique down. Some people sit down and do it. I can't do it that way. I don't have the shoulder strength or the strength to push down, but if I come up like this right here, and I start at the top, I like a skinny spindle at the top and a little bit wider at the bottom. It's probably maybe 3/8 of an inch. Spit on your hands. The main thing is, you guys, it's just like the bow drill. When you see that smoke first start coming up, then you need to put you some more pressure down as you turn the stick. You need to apply pressure downward and go down as far as you can and speed up. Anyway, I was just practicing that this morning. I thought you guys might like to see it. Thanks for watching Mike Reed Outdoors, and have a great day.